Hey dudes, welcome back to We Have Fluffy Hair 5656. This is Diego. He's helping me out with the video. Can't speak because he doesn't want to be on YouTube. Well, we're gonna shoot stuffed animals, and he's gonna shoot it with that Nerf gun. So, you ready? So we're just gonna get out of the office. Okay. So once the song Mine Diamonds plays, we are going to start the video. Okay? So start right there. So if you hit him in the head, it's 10 points. If you hit him in the chest, it's 5 points. If you knock him over, that's 15 points. No, let's just do 50. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Hey Google, play video. Okay. Let's go. You're going. You missed this. Hit him in the head. Okay, next one. Okay, let's go, guys. Dude, hit him in the head. So that's 20 points already. Okay, let's go. Dude, come on. Okay, let's go. Oh, right in the head. So all of them you've gotten in the head. So that's about 40 points. Okay, next one. Technical difficulties. Okay, that's 50 points. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. Say bye-bye.